Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your PayPal email. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official website of PayPal at paypal.com. Log in with your current PayPal email and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the three lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings. Under the Account tab, you will see your current email address. Tap on Edit to change your email. Now, enter your new email address and tap Add to confirm. Now, PayPal will send a confirmation link to your new email. Open your Gmail or email app, find the message from PayPal, and click the link to confirm. After that, go back to PayPal settings. You will now see your email changed. And that's it. Now you know how to change PayPal email. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.